the best pasta that's packed full of veggies that your kids will not notice. Let's get into it. Preheat your oven to 400. I got one of these packs of cherry tomatoes from Walmart, and you're just going to, and I washed them, and then you're just going to cut them in half, and then you're going to just lay them on a cookie sheet. One red bell pepper. This one's pretty small. I like to pick a smaller bell pepper. And I'm just going to kind of cut this up into strips and also put it onto my cookie sheet. Then I have a I just cut like a slice off of a yellow onion. And I'm just going to put this on here as well. We're gonna just dump some olive oil over all these veggies. We're gonna add some salt, some pepper, and a sprinkle of Kinder's The Blend. We're gonna put this in our 400-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. My veggies have 20 minutes left, so I am going to get a pot of water boiling. And then once that's boiling, I'm just gonna cook 1 pound of whatever spaghetti pasta you want to do. I'm using this gluten-free pasta since I am now gluten-free. But to a bowl, you're just going to add 1 pound of chicken breast tenderloins to your bowl. You're gonna add some olive oil, about a tablespoon or 2. Okay, now we're going to add some seasonings. So first we're going to add some Parmesan cheese and about 2 tablespoons or so. That's way more than 2 tablespoons, but do however much you like. Some onion powder, some garlic powder, which mine's almost out, some smoked paprika, and some Italian seasoning. All right, and then give it a good mix. Make sure everything is coated. If you need to add more olive oil, you can. I laid my chicken into my air fryer. Okay, we're gonna do 375 for 4 minutes. All right, well, the pasta, veggies, and chicken are all cooking. I know a lot of you have asked about our fertility journey and where we're at in the comments of my other videos. We have done 4 cycles with the fertility clinic and have not been successful yet. Or I guess I should say we have done 3. We are on our 4th cycle. So we are doing all of that. I kind of just keep my food here. I know I've shared a little bit like while I was cooking on here in the past. If you want to see, I created a different TikTok for my fertility side, and it's Jenica Styles _fertility. I can put it in the comments. So if you want to follow that page, that has like my day-to-day fertility journey on it. So that is where we are at, but this page will be for cooking and cooking only. So yeah. Okay, I'm just taking a tongs and flipping these over. Okay, we're gonna air fry again for 6 minutes at the 375. All right, my veggies are out of the oven. You're just going to place them all into your blender. Add a decent sized spoonful of garlic. I'm gonna do a decent sized spoonful of ricotta cheese. Probably like 3/4 of a cup. Some chicken broth. Some spinach. A little bit of your pasta water. Some Kinder's The Blend. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Some smoked paprika. Some Italian seasoning. And a little bit of cayenne pepper, like just a little. Put your lid on your blender and blend this for about a minute or so. Once it's good, blend it up. I sometimes don't like understand time. So I probably did about 2 minutes, I would say. So do it until your heart feels happy. I mean, it really doesn't matter. We're going to add this right into our noodles. Stir it all together. This literally took me 40 minutes. Like, it is so fast. I have the chicken on the side that I cut up and it's nice and crispy. I put some fresh Parmesan or just some like shredded Parmesan. I shouldn't say it's fresh because it's totally not. It's from the bag. But absolutely yum. This one has so many veggies that your kids are not even going to know about, or if you have picky husbands or wives, they're not going to know about it. And it's seriously so like refreshing. Like, it's a very light tasting pasta. I absolutely love this one. It's so good. You've got to try it.